This is the purple gel seat cushion from SelectSoma, and oh my gosh, I have their other one. What a huge difference this has made for me for sciatica pain. I have some severe lower back and sciatica going on, and when I sit on this, it feels like I'm just sitting on clouds. So I really want to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really appreciate it. Now I have 2 of them, so now I keep one in my office and one in my kitchen, on my kitchen dining room chair, because let me just show you how cool this is. So it's got 2 handles. On this side, it's got a nice smooth sitting side, and then on this side, it's got a nice grip. So you can see that it's got a little bit of a grip, so your seat isn't gonna slide all underneath you. And when you unzip it, let me just show you this. You can unzip this case, and what you can do is you can wash it. But I want to show you on the inside, and you'll see why this is just so comfortable. I wish you could feel this, but I mean, maybe if you can see it, you can almost kind of feel it. But it feels super soft, so when you sit on it, it gives you like pressure, like it removes the pressure. So there's no specific point that hurts. You know how when you sit and your tailbone kind of like hurts, or like a bone is kind of sitting out, it like evens out all of those pressure points, and there's no spots that are painful. Or if you have a friend of yours that is sitting in a wheelchair, this is great for people that are sitting for any kind of long period of time. For me to even sit anywhere, I almost need this at this point, because it's just been helping my lower back so much. So again, thank you so much, Soma Select. I love this, but look at this. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Oh, look at that. Look at me. Oh, it feels so amazing. It's perfect.